Hey guys, Video Arcade Films here, and today we're going to be building a PC with Nickhasarrived yet again. And he's here to make sure I don't screw up. So, yeah, let's do this.
He'll screw up.
Okay, so first, before we destroy this PC, reassemble this PC, we are going to have a quick overview of every part I'm using, and I'm going to let Mr. Computer Nerd do that.
So for cooling, we're going to have four 140mm fans made by Corsair. These are the A14s. So they're used actually on these exact fans are used on the 140mm AIOs.
Yeah.
Then we're also going to have a EVGA FTW 980 Ti. So this thing is still beast. Six gigabytes of VRAM. So what are you at now?
I think I have 2 gigabytes of VRAM right now. I think I have a 750 Ti. Yeah. That's my current.
And that's
graphics.
DDR3.
Yes, we have some really
You're
strong...
going DDR3 to GDDR5.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have a nice jump. And here's this MSI motherboard here.
The B350 Tomahawk Ryzen 1st gen. It's not compatible with 2nd gen, not compatible with 3rd gen yet. Ryzen 1600, just beast of a processor. Very hard to overclock, but it's a beast of a processor. Noctua, thermal compounds, NTH1 stuff just works.
And here's this cool looking case.
Ballistix Sport RAM, 2400 megahertz.
DDR4?
CL16.
Maybe
CL15.
I'm still back like in the way back when where everything was like DDR3. So what is that, DDR4?
Wow. And then the Arctic Freezer 13, the 200 watt dissipation capability, so it's pretty good enough for a 1600.
Woo. As you can see in that really cool close-up shot, we have already added in the CPU, which is usually the first thing you do when you have your motherboard out. It just decomplicates things. So we got to add in this cool little I/O plate. Alright, and as you can see, Nickhasarrived is giving tips behind the camera as I visibly struggle. So we have this really freaking cool dish of screws. So we are going to find the ones that we need. Okay, give me a break. I haven't done this in like 5.5 years, so
You're gonna use these.
all right. So let's line it up.
Yep.
All right, let's not pull a Linus and drop a $3,000 part. I've been watching a little bit too much of that. Hey.
Oh, got some nice phone rings in there.
There we go, I have it lined up.
Yep, everything looks good.
The internet's probably gonna find 17 things I did wrong just there.
Oh, I'm sure.
Oh. This is like so hard. How did I do this when
I'd recommend doing one of these middle ones.
Okay,
first.
well, let's do this. Take off my watch and make it a little bit easier. Watch review happening soon. There will be a review of this, don't worry. How do I go with this? This just shows how like computer inept I am. Like any other previous videos where it looks like I have any knowledge of this crap. Like I seriously don't.
Which is exactly why I recorded that. Okay.
Okay, so we have all of the motherboard screws in, and what do we have to do next, Nick?
We have multiple choices now. We don't have a power supply. I would highly recommend putting the power supply now so you can run the CPU cable here. It's going to be a pain in the butt.
Welcome to episode 5 of Nickhasarrived Lose a Screw.
I lost my screws a while ago.
What screws do we need here?
They are going to be the really coarse ones.
So like these ones?
Yep, you need 8 of them. So bring them over. Just put the tray over here.
Put the tray over here. I'm very happy that. Yeah. All right, we're gonna go ahead and screw in this fan. And I'm probably gonna screw this up. Top tier joke. Video that was in 4K 60 because I'm like,
it was 4K 30. So.
It was actually 4K 60 the one that I did, and I had a video. It's actually the VAF Extreme trailer. If you want to watch it right here in this nice little area. I know.
Oh no, it's moving! It's moving! It's off the screen now.
The cards are up in this corner now, so because annotations are gone and YouTube is stupid. That video I actually originally uploaded, fun fact, in 4K 60 because I thought it was a good idea. And it honestly took like months before I could actually select the 4K option. Like on that video. And I don't know what took it so long.
It just didn't like your video.
Yeah, makes sense. I mean, I don't like my own videos, so. Just kidding, guys. Like and subscribe in that corner, every corner. Subscribe. Just like that.
200! Oh, it didn't change. Refresh. 200 subscribers! Woo!
Thanks, everybody.
The next thing we'll do is...
you want to like put in the graphics card?
I'll punch you right now.
Time to throw in some RAM, guys.
Pretty hard to screw this up, so I'll let you do that while I'm looking at the CPU cooler.
Go ahead and get a random shot of me doing this. Okay, time for some RAM.
Installing RAM. Is this like open?
Oh yeah,
it's intense.
Did I do it right?
Did it snap? I'm shaking.
Crap.
I'm
Holy
shaking.
crap.
I'm shaking. Ah!
Install some RAM. Install some RAM. Throw that in here. Do the click click. Oh yeah.
The Ryzen CPU is actually 2 pieces of silicon. There's a piece of silicon over here, and then there's a space in the board, and then there's a piece of silicon over here. So Ryzen's especially, you want to make sure that you don't just put like a little bead in the middle and it just spreads out and actually doesn't cover the outer parts of the silicon. You'll get overheating problems on specific cores. So for Ryzen specifically, and make sure you do something really light, really light, and just really lightly put some thermal paste on. Just like that.
That is most definitely the correct amount of thermal paste. Oh yeah.
At least that would kill you if you did, so. Okay. Okay, put on the CPU cooler.
With the right amount of paste on.
Yep.
Obviously. Does it just like snap on the CPU cooler like that?
Yep.
Wow. There's Nick struggling to find a screw.
Yep. Okay, now it's on tight. Move it around. That helps get all this spread all the way around. And then off the fan. And put dish on just like this. And pop it into the CPU fan spot. Wad this up so it's out of the way. You're going to have a miserable time getting the CPU cable connected, but...
Alright, sounds fun.
Yeah.
All right, so Nick finally found out the actual place where to put all the pins for the front panel connector on the motherboard. So, and we gladly searched it up using Bing. Not sponsored.
It only took me 3 times longer. That's all connected.
We get to put in the GPU.
Motherboard. So go ahead and snap that in.
Okay, cool. Oh no, what was that? Shut up, Google. Go away.
I'm sorry if I upset you. I hate it when we fight.
Apparently we fight.
We got this very expensive GPU right here that I'm holding.
Just give me your hand. So, yep. Great video. Great video.
Okay, and we'll do a nice little snap there. We did it! Literally, this whole video is just gonna be me walking around this pool table indefinitely, and I'm gonna get like 7 comments about it.
Just continuously walking around it. What are you doing?
Stop pacing. Go to the computer. Okay, and this is, I was about to say this is Video Arcade Films. Give me a second. Okay, and since we finally assembled all the PC that we can, that is it for the first episode of building the PC. And obviously this thing needs a new power supply, not a new power supply, but another, like one of its own. And we'll eventually do that and install Windows in the next episode whenever that happens. So
It'll probably be just him. So.
probably. So
Bye.
bye forever. Get out of here. See you later, Nickhasarrived. And that'll be it. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, Video Arcade Films here. If you liked the video, make sure to dislike it. And if you hated it, make sure you unsubscribe. See you next video.
I'm back.